Hello, this is Will and Well Armed. Today we're doing an unboxing. This is a watch. I normally don't do these type of things, but real excited about this one. This is from a company called PHOIBOS, and they were out of Hong Kong. And this first time I opened it, they're known for having limited releases, small batches, and they sell out real quick. So the paperwork is standard paperwork, has a warranty card, international. This does have a SII NH35A Lume in it. The paperwork's pretty standardized, it's pretty detailed, what you can and can't do. This is a 200 meter watch, and the style of this watch is called a compressor. And it's an automatic, which means it never needs batteries. We'll move the box aside, the paperwork aside. And so there's some plastic on the top. Look at moving that stuff off. And there's some plastic on the back. And there's some plastic on the straps. Some people really enjoy taking this off. Oh yeah, it's a big kind. It's a heavy watch. Really feels good. Kind of feels like a Omega strap there. And it does have the full screw-in links. These are solid. This plastic side. Alright, so there's nothing there. So let's take a good look at it up close. So this brand has been around about 5 years. They've got a big following, and they're known for releasing a watch and then it disappearing, and then it goes on eBay as a secondary market for a lot more money. Let's do some measurements on it. 41.1. 41 across from tip to tip. 49. So 45, and then the thickness is 14. There it is. 20 millimeters. Then it tapers down to 18, and then the clasp is almost 21. So really nice dimensions, a beautiful watch, and so let's look. That's slightly domed. Can you see that from there? Bring it up a little closer. There's a slight dome to it. Has a really good feeling. Has a coined edge bezel. Both the crowns are signed with the octopus. There's a nice octopus on the back. That's polished, highly polished, and then subdued rough. And it says it's a 200 meter sapphire crystal PHOIBOS automatic, water resistant, 660 feet or 200 meters. So this does have the automatic movement. When we look at the hands, so this is called the Black&Gold. And so when you look at the hands, they're kind of the antique. These are baton style hands. And then you can see the little pointed tips. That means it's the syringe tip. Has, notice the Roman numerals inside the railroad track, and then the second hand is sweeping very smoothly, as an automatic should, compared to the way a quartz jerks it every second. The lining up, it seems to look really nice. The quality of the dial is nice, but being a sapphire, it will not scratch. I like the way the date window is trimmed in gold as well. So it's a really nice looking watch. So let's Yep. So that's milled, so you can see how it just fits precisely in there. Really nice clasp. Feels good, tight. There's not much wiggle in it, not much rattle. Really feels like a nice Swiss watch. Is signed here. I've got about a 7.5 inch, a little bit less, wrist. And so you can see how it looks on the sides of my wrist. I will take out those links and see how it does. Resized it, took out 2 links on each side, put them back together, put the extra screw in there just so I wouldn't lose it. Let's see what it weighs. Clasp is really nice. And also it does have solid end links, and then it has a little space in there to get to them. So you can change out that pretty easy. So for a 7.5 inch wrist, it is 158 grams. So with everything, if we had an 8.5 inch wrist, it would be 172. The price on this is $360. I got it with a code and got 10% off. I don't have my own code, but I'll send you the code down below that I used. These will sell out quick. They have a red one, and a green one, and a blue one, and this black one. So I'll send you, I'll put pictures in below so you can see what these look like. Anyway, very impressed. Let's see, on the sides, that is brushed on the sides, brushed on the top, and then there is that, they polished it on that chamfer edge, and then it does have nice knurling on the two crowns. Really like that. So how the crowns work. So what you need to do is twist it, because these are 200 meters. So you unscrew it and it pops out. And so that should be the date. That's the date. And pull it out once more. It's hacking, so it stops the second hand. And then you can set the time. Tighten it back up. You always want to have that closed when you're waterproof. This is for the inner bezel, just like a dive watch that turns as you need it. So you put this, it goes both directions. Put this on your minute hand, close it, and screw it. And now you can time your dive just like you would with a normal dive watch. So it locks in place. You gotta have it down so it won't be waterproof. But anyway, let's see how the Lume looks on this. I've got an infrared light. These infrared lights seem to charge it up a little bit better than. That's quite nice. This is my 50 fathom. Like how that bezel lights up, really nice. It's being pretty bright. right, so this is welded well armed and doing my first watch. So tell me what you think. If you want to see more watches, let me know, and maybe we'll do a giveaway. This welded well armed. Have a great day and be prepared.